Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Deontay Wilder versus Tyson Fury, December 1st at the Staples Center in Los Angeles, California. That is the date, that is the venue and location. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm excited for this fight. No matter what anyone says, no matter what they say across the pond, no matter what Eddie Hearn is saying, this fight is happening and there's nothing that he can do about it. He's put out this sad press release and did these sad takes at the interviews saying, we need to get this fight done before December 1st. Well, the Deontay Wilder fight is on December 1st. Why would he even pay any attention when we've already heard it be stated that it's the same $15 million flat fee offer? And I'm going to continue to say this. A number one mandatory challenger gets at least 25% purse split. So why would another champion not get a percentage? There's no way to argue that. If you start saying, well, his last fight or his net worth, you're a casual fan. It's obvious you're a casual fan because you don't know how the rules of boxing work. Now, there's always exceptions, but the bottom line is it's always a percentage when it's champion versus champion. End of story. No rematch clause. End of story. That is fear. And so now we can officially go on record and say that Eddie Hearn, Barry Hearn, and AJ allowing this is a duck. It looks like a duck. It quacks like a duck. It's a duck. I don't want to hear anything else. There's no facts you can prove to show me why another champion would get a flat fee. I ask you again, show me another heavyweight champion in the history of boxing when there's champion versus champion that took a flat fee. I'll wait. But there's nothing you can say. Let the excuses start coming in the comment section, but you can't disprove this. Why not be a real boxing fan? Just be a real boxing fan and enjoy the fact that Deontay Wilder and Tyson Fury are about to get it on. And we're going to see this fight December 1st in Los Angeles. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.